If you want to learn data type, this video teach you all you need to know about data types. If you are new in this channel, welcome aboard and think to subscribe in order to be sure to not miss nothing at all. So without further ado, let's get started. You have to keep in mind that JavaScript is in global two groups of data types. The first is what we call the primitive data types, and the second group is what we call the composite data types or complex data types. So JavaScript is 7 primitive data types. We have number, string, Boolean, undefined, null, symbol, BigInt. So on the other hand, we have what we call the derived or composite or complex data types. JavaScript is 3 main derived data types. We have the object, an array, and a function. So let's see in detail how it is written in JavaScript. Here we go. So we have first the number. So you need to keep in mind that numbers are used for representing numbers. Your age can represent it as a number. Your height can be represented as a number. Numbers can be positive or negative, as well as whole numbers or decimal numbers. Numbers are stored in variables without using quotation mark. So this is how you can write the number. As you can see in this variable called length, we have 16. And you can also write it like this. So the 6 is written without decimal, and the dot point 7.5 is written with decimal. JavaScript accepts also the negative value like this, minus 100. So this is all you need to know about numbers. So let's keep on. Let's see what about the string. The string in JavaScript, the string are just sequences of characters, which can include letters, numbers, punctuation, and spaces. We put strings between quotes as JavaScript knows where they start and where it ends. To make it simple, think about your name and you surround it with the quotation mark. So in that case, in JavaScript, this kind of writing value is called a string. So you can write it like this. For example, this is, I can say, my name. my name. You see, my name is surrounded by a quotation mark. So you can also write it like this using a single quotation mark or a double quotation mark. You can use both single and double quotation mark. In this kind, you use it like this. Great. So after that, you can write also your code like this using always the two quotation mark, the double quotation mark and the single quotation mark. In this example, I show you how I write my string using a single quotation mark. This is this is a string. See? So you can use, when you use one kind of quotation mark, for example, a double quotation mark in a statement just like this. So in this statement, you can see we have double quotation mark, and inside JavaScript, we have also double quotation mark. So if you write it without the backslash, it will output an error. So to avoid this error, you need to add double backslash inside the quotation mark, first in front of the first quote and the second before the end of the second quote. You see, for example, so when you write it like this, it will output a correct sentence. And the second example is when you use this single quotation mark. It is the same with the double quotation mark. So you can write also a string like this. This number is also a string because we use the quotation mark to surround the value. So this is all you need to know about the string. A Boolean value is simply a value that's either true or false. Boolean values are the result when you do the comparison in JavaScript. So let's see this example. So when you say 2 equal 2, is it exactly equal to? Is 2 exactly equal to? If it is, you say true. The second example, we have 1 below 10. Is 10, is 1 less than 10? If it is, you say true. Is 100 greater than 2000? False. So in that case, it outputs false. The next example, apples equals oranges. Is apples exactly equal to oranges? It false. And the JavaScript will output a false. The next example is apples exactly equal to apples? Yes, and the JavaScript will output true. So all data in JavaScript is just a combination of these types of data. I named number, string, and Boolean. All data is the combination of these types of data. But we have also other primitive data, what we can see just now.